Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jeff Carpenter with Ready Light Media, and I'm here in my studio with Hunter, and we are doing some long exposure fitness portraits. Long exposure stuff can be really fun, but it can be kind of challenging because there's a lot of factors that are like in play. And normally what I would do is I would have rear curtain sync to get the movement and then have the flash fire at the end of the exposure, but it was a little bit tough to get him in the right spot every time, so we're actually flipping it around. We're keeping the sync on the front end, so the flash is firing at the beginning of a 3-second exposure, and then that way we get the focus, we get his pose, and then once the flash fires, he moves backwards. So it's kind of, I'm making him do a little more work than usual, but it makes it easy on me. So what we have here is we've got a split light. We've just got a beauty dish with a 30-degree grid, and what that's doing is I'm coming across, and that's hitting across him and really accentuating his muscles. And then we've got a light in the back with a green gel, and that is actually a constant light. So I don't have the flash firing on that one at all. I just have the constant, and that's how we get that ghosting effect, which is pretty cool. So we're going to shoot a couple, and then we'll show you what we got. So basically what we're doing is we've got a 3-second exposure. I'm on manual focus just because with the dark atmosphere where my lens would be hunting anyway. So we've got a manual focus. I've got him where I need him to be. I got focus. I'm going to count down, which I don't usually do, but in this case it's kind of pertinent. So I'm going to count down 3, 2, 1. Flash is going to fire, then he's going to move backwards, and that's how we're going to get that ghosting effect. So 3, 2, 1. So now that the exposure's done, that's a good one. I like that. So it'll come up on the screen here, and we've got this nice, cool ghosting effect with a nice pose with focus that we know we've nailed. All right, if you have any questions or comments, go and leave those below. And if you want to see any more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and follow Ready Light Media, and I'll see you next time.